Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can check your iPhone's battery health in just a few seconds. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on Battery. Here, you'll find different information about your iPhone's battery usage and charging. Now, look for Battery Health and tap on it. Inside this section, you can check your battery's maximum capacity, which shows how much charge your battery can hold compared to when it was brand new. You may also see the battery's cycle count, depending on your iPhone model and iOS version. This can help you understand how much the battery has been used over time. You can also check whether your battery is operating normally or if your iPhone recommends service. Keep in mind that battery health naturally decreases over time as the battery goes through charging cycles. So whenever you feel like your iPhone's battery isn't lasting as long as it used to, this is the first place you should check. And that's it. Now you know how to check your iPhone's battery health. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.